Welcome back, everyone. This is Nate with Dubs Cards, and today we're going to open up some 1986 OPC baseball cards. These have been a good little series of openings. One of my favorite year sets and one of my favorite brands. So we have, start with the gum. All right, there's a PC hit. Gum card checklist. That deserves front and center. So we have a Jeff Reardon card, severely off cut top to bottom. We have a Gary Pettis card from the Angels. We have a Moose Haas from the Brewers. Yeah, there's one. That's a nice one right here. Look at how nice this card is. 86 OPC Don Mattingly card. Good enough to grade. So I will put it in one of the grading ones. One of my favorite PC guys, Mattingly. Little dot, I'll have to pull it out and check it, but I want to keep it in as good a shape as I can. So there we go. That's probably one of the best hits of the box so far. So Kent Tuvel, Kent. Glenn Hubbard from the Braves. Ready to take off. And Ron Smalley of the Twins. Here's the back of each card. Looks like he tied that year for games played. 162. That's how many they played back then. All right, pack number 2 of this break. 1986 OPC cards. Got a very good first pack. Let's keep that mojo going. We have a Jose Cruz gum card. Not as good as the checklist. Dave Palmer, now with the Braves. Joe Niekro of the Yankees. Very good pitcher. Played a ton of games. Cubs, Padres, Tigers, Braves, Astros, Yankees. Paul Molitor. That one can go up there. Tim Wallach of the Expos. Jerry Murphy, now with the Cubs. Willie Randolph, that's like the third Yankee in this pack. And Claudel Washington. So not bad for 2 packs. Let's go for pack number 3. See who we have. We have a Lance Parrish took the gum. It's probably one of the best gum guys we've seen. We got a Gary Maddox of the Phillies. Yeah, nice. Another PC hit. And this one is nice also. So I'm going to put it in a sleeve. So there it is. Let's move this to the back. Let's move that to the front. Strawberry. Let's take a look at it. So grade-wise, centering is great. Maybe a little bit heavy on the bottom and top. Sides look pretty decent. This edge has a little fuzz. I've actually seen PSA 10s with the fuzz. I mean, I think they did that before. It's just the way the cards were cut. But who knows? This could be a possible one I send out. Anytime I open packs, if it's questionable to send it, I'll put it in a sleeve right off. No sense in not handling it. I can take them out later. Glenn Hoffman of the Red Sox. Jack Clark of the Cardinals. Played a lot of years too. We have Ron Oyster of the Reds. Yeah, what a great series of packs these are. Pete O'Brien's our last one, but here's a Roger Clemens. This one's offset side to side and top to bottom, so it's not really a grade contender card, but still good card. I will put it in. This is just my way of knowing in my collection that those are grade cards. This one I don't think would be. So Roger Clemens gonna have to put the gum to the back. Clemens takes over the gum. So that's 3 packs down. 3 great cards. Let's see if we can keep that going with pack number 4. Who took the gum? Donnie Hill took the gum. And a big old piece at that. So we got a Mariners card, Gorman Thomas. We have an Expos guy, Mitch Webster. Johnny Ray for the Pirates. Eddie Whitson of the Yankees. We have a second-year Brett Saberhagen. He could probably go up there. We're just a little full. And we got a Greg Harris for the Rangers and a Glenn Davis of the Astros. So this will be a hard one to pick. I guess mine's Strawberry, but those two are a close second. Let me know what you think. Drop a comment. It helps the channel, trying to grow the channel. And this is Nate with Dubs Cards. Over and out.